Okay, so we're in a parking lot basement, and this is all brand new, and this is what the builders supply. So first of all, we can see our door closer hasn't really been fitted great. This is not square, it's pretty small for the size of the door. If you get any wind, sometimes it won't be enough even to bring the door to close. At the moment it's probably adjusted right out to make it as strong as it can, and that seems to be working. Now with the lock, this lock is original. This is what came with the building, and as you can see it's a lever handle, so obviously when burglars have come through here they've jumped on it and it's pretty much given up. You can see it's given up. So this is what we call a storeroom set, where from the inside with the fire exit it's free, so you can enter into the fire stairs, but from this side it's locked, so you can't go into the parking lot. So they're broken into it, and what we're going to do today, we're going to install the 3062, and we've done this a few times, but it's always good to see how they're kind of breaking in. And you see this type of lock, it is a commercial lock, but the whole lock itself in the locked position is rotating enough to allow it to open. So, and once again the latch is not very nicely done. Okay. Couple of screws. So you can see that mechanism, that's top, 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock. It's broken in there, pretty much just given up. And the handle itself, it's on a massive angle. So this is what we call a tie bolt fitting, where it's got a square drive. The lock we're going to be using is what's called a bayonet fitting. So as you can see it's pulled on there. Now this is in the 70mm position, that's 60, that's 70. So I know it's 70, so that will match my latch there. And you can see what the builders have done. They've done a really rough job on this strike. It's just definitely not deep enough. So let's quickly chisel that out. Butterfly chisel, pretty nice. That should be deep enough. Yep, that's flush. I'm happy with that. Now I might need bigger screws. These are the original ones. They're only little, we'll see how they go. If not, I might need bigger, fatter screws. That feels okay. It's okay too. Should see our bayonet fitting, we do. And also our striker plate's missing. So when the lock was installed it never had a striker plate, and when it never has a striker plate, you can see the large amount of gap you got there. You just get a screwdriver in here and you can push the whole thing back to get in. So striker plate is needed. Stainless steel striker plate. Oh, it's got a whole heap of rubbish there. Let's clean that up. Looks like concrete. Okay, broken screw. So we're gonna have to use some better screws on this one. Basically, we've just hit the concrete behind. Okay, let's come back to that. Okay, what is that pull apart tool? There it is there. Comes with the lock, this thing. There we are there. Okay, so knob on this side. Flip it on. Bit of a tight fitting this one. Okay, so surprise, surprise, the hole is not in the right spot. So we're going to have to re-drill this. Do we have a drill there? Nope. Okay, let's grab a drill. Hole saw, 52mm. Centering tool. Probably need a metal cutting screw as well. Fire exit door. Well, we thought we've got the drill. So the reason we need to re-drill this is because whoever drilled it last time didn't drill it exactly right. So this is a recentering tool, goes in like that. We sell them on our website. There's two sizes, 60 and 70. Okay, so what's going on here? So this is our tool in there, so we know that this is a square. This is 60, this is 70. When I put the drill in there, I can see that their hole is up and forward. So what I'm actually cutting out is just this little piece right here. This will allow the lock to be square, so it has to be square. If this is on an angle or up or down, it doesn't work. It has to be exactly square, and that's why we're taking this out, because the lock body can't sit in there without it. Okay. That might just do it. Very common for locks not to be fitted squarely. Okay, let's try again. Okay, picked up that side, that side. I probably should have drilled a little bit more, but that will do for today. Little notch that goes in there. Our tool. securely. Now we have a knob. So for this one we could be putting a spinner around the knob, but we're not going to bother. It's not necessary. We can do it later on if need be. Okay, that's the big click. Big test. It's on. Okay, now leaving the problem of a snapped screw. Not a very nice problem. You can't really get it that way. All those pliers. Can't really get it that way. There. Okay, we're going to have to go for plan B. So we're going to have to drill a bigger hole, put a plug in it, and use a proper screw. What size do we have here? 5mm. That's good. So it's unfortunate the screw's broken in it, but I can't really do much more because the strike plate needs to be there. Give us something good to screw onto. I'll use this little screw, otherwise less chance of breaking. Okay. Striker plate is too close to the door. Okay, so basically with all the paint and all that built up and was sitting on the door, so at least now latches, secondary doesn't fall in, it's got a knob, it's always locked. It's working. Striker plate's good too. Okay, so 3062 available from our website. Thanks for watching.